I have a bomb.
This is better.
Remember me, Judge? 15 to 20 for aggravated manslaughter? Well, I got out today. And you know what? I'm still aggravated. Sit down.
Do you mind? We're trying to conduct a trial here.
Did you hear me? I said I had a bomb.
No, you don't. And here's why. A, you said manslaughter, which means that you didn't have the guts for murder one the first time around. B, if you're clever enough to make that aggravation joke, you're clever enough to know that threatening to have a bomb carries a much lesser sentence than actually wearing one. C, that code is fairly svelte. And D, if you really had a bomb, you wouldn't need to have a hostage. Would you?
I do have a bomb.
Come on, we've got 2 more expert witnesses to get through by lunch. I'm assuming you could speed through your testimony just to keep up with our schedule.
You sit down or I'll blow this thing.
You don't have a bomb.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Prove it.
Mr. Chase, perhaps...
I was a hostage negotiator as a Marine. This man does not have a bomb.
I do too.
You're interrupting, sir.
Mr. Chase.
Please show me the bomb.
I'll blow this thing. Mr. Chase.
Show it to me.
I'm not gonna show you.
I didn't think so.
Fine.
What do you know?
Denny Crane demeaned Carrie Lansing. He demeaned our court system, and he should be dealt with.
Mr. Crane?
Denny, I have a good feel for this. Can I take it?
I'll take it. This is, pretty powerful stuff. I can see Mr. Ripley's a very powerful man. And that's a big thing with lawyers, isn't it? Power. Fear of feeling weak. I've seen it before. Attorneys coming up against Denny Crane. They jump and stomp and shake the fist and bellow with impassioned rage. Makes quite a demonstration, doesn't it? When you cut through to the merits, this lady is alleged in her complaint loss of consortium. Legal terms, meaning sex and affection. And if she's enjoying sex and affection, it's relevant. It's a mitigating factor. I'm entitled to explore it. Mr. Ripley may not like it, but it's legitimate. And I may add that I conducted my probe in the relative privacy of a closed conference room. Mr. Powerful Man made it much more public with his impassioned chest thumping in a courtroom.
I object to
Oh,
this.
go ahead and pound the table. I'll tell you what I object to. We have an offer on the table that you so love to pound. An offer I can't discuss because the settlement talks have been sealed. Suffice to say, it is on the high side, the extreme high side, considering the fact that liability is not certain. Mr. Lansing had a pre-existing heart condition. But instead of taking the offer, powerful guys like Mr. Ripley want to go to trial. Why? Because I'm the opponent. It's a coup to beat the big guy. But what if you don't? You demean the profession, Mr. Powerful Guy. You're using your client to get a notch. You're making Carrie Lansing go through the ordeal of a trial for your own ego.
Objection.
Trial you may lose, in which case she gets nothing.
Objection.
Oh, but if you're loud enough,
Objection.
forceful enough, and strong enough, she may never realize you blew it.
Oh.